starting an online business doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, we've identified 10 simple steps that can help you turn your idea into a money-making venture in no time. We've had experience with starting about 5 companies and invested in over 12, and we've learned that success in the early stages hinges on having the right business plan. So, you can trust that we know what it takes to make a business thrive and what mistakes to avoid. By following these steps, you'll gain a significant advantage over those who are unaware of them. So, let's dive right in and get started on your journey to success. Welcome to Top-Tier Success, your ultimate destination for business, investing, and self-development. We're all about attaining financial freedom and living life on your own terms. Don't be the last one to the party. Hit that subscribe button now. 1. What problem are you solving? You might be driven to solve a problem that involves equipping people with skills to protect their jobs from technological advancements. Alternatively, your focus could be on helping local businesses thrive by leveraging new digital channels to attract more customers and boost sales. It could even be a common problem that everyone notices but no one has taken the initiative to address. The important thing is to tackle a problem that resonates with you. When we talk about problem solving, it's easy to think of big issues like world hunger or homelessness. However, it's worth noting that even seemingly trivial problems can hold value. Take, for instance, an entrepreneur who noticed that the drink he was served didn't look visually appealing. He wondered why an umbrella wasn't included. So he took matters into his own hands. He created a cocktail umbrella, and that simple solution generated millions for him. The point is, identifying a problem that matters to you, regardless of its scale, can lead to innovative solutions and significant success. 2. Who are you solving it for? Let us give you another example using the cocktail analogy. Imagine a glass of drink being served without any adornments. It might not look as appealing or exciting. But when you add a cocktail umbrella to it, suddenly the presentation becomes more vibrant and enjoyable. Now, who benefits from this simple addition? In this case, it's 2 parties. Firstly, the person receiving the drink experiences an enhanced sense of joy and delight. Secondly, the sellers of the drink can now offer it with a touch of flair, making it more enticing to customers. So, by solving this seemingly small problem, you're actually addressing 2 key aspects. You're adding value to the cocktail itself and enhancing the overall experience of having that cocktail. It's amazing how even the tiniest details can make a significant difference in both the product and the customer's enjoyment. 3. How will you reach them? To better illustrate this point, let's compare Tesla and Canon. Canon took the approach by collaborating with a renowned photographer, Peter McKinnon. By associating themselves with Peter's content and followers, Canon won over people's hearts. They leveraged the influence of a celebrity to promote their brand. On the other hand, Tesla itself is owned by a celebrity. They've built their brand around the personality and vision of their owner. This brings us to an important question for you. When you establish your business, will you be the face of the brand, representing the product or problem you're solving? Or will you rely on others who can effectively represent your business? Understanding this distinction is vital, as it directly impacts your branding and marketing strategy. Both approaches have their strengths, so it's crucial to align your decision with your business's values and goals. By carefully considering these options, You can make an informed choice that resonates with your vision and captures the attention of your target audience. 4. What will you call your business? When it comes to naming your company, there are two main approaches. The first type is a straightforward name that clearly reflects what your business does, like WeBuyAnyCar.com. The second type involves creating a completely unique name, like Google. While unique names can be memorable, they can also be challenging for people to remember. Therefore, it's important to ensure that your word or company name is easily understood in your target market and doesn't unintentionally translate into something else. Striking the right balance between distinctiveness and clarity is key when choosing a name that resonates with your audience. 5. Trademarking. You and your team sit around a table, brainstorming and finally coming up with the perfect name for your business. You love it and full of excitement. You launch your venture. However, fast forward a year later, and you receive a cease and desist letter. This unfortunate situation has happened to us multiple times, causing significant financial strain and almost bankrupting our business. Sadly, there are individuals who go to great lengths to trademark any and every name possible, even if your chosen name isn't presently trademarked. If they see your business thriving, they may register it just to hold it against you as a form of blackmail. Here's the important takeaway. Trademarking is crucial, and we can't stress this enough. It's not a complex process. All you need to do is search for your country's government-related trademark registry, which you can easily find by typing "trademark registry" into Google. Take caution to select the official government website and avoid any rogue alternatives. This applies to countries like England, the United States, and even certain developing nations. Once you find the official registry, the process usually involves a simple click-by-click procedure to trademark your brand. It may not be challenging, but it is incredibly important to safeguard your business. 6. Obtain social media handles. One of our most important practices is to secure all the social media handles for our brand. However, you may encounter situations where certain handles are already taken. This is where having a trademark becomes incredibly valuable. If you own the trademark for your brand, you have the power to reclaim a social media handle that is being used by someone without the trademark rights. Imagine the advantages this brings. You establish a strong presence across various social media platforms, ensuring consistency and brand recognition. And if you come across a handle that aligns perfectly with your brand, but is held by someone who doesn't possess the trademark, you have the ability to reclaim it. This not only helps you maintain a unified online identity, but also safeguards your brand's reputation and prevents confusion among your audience. 7. Equipment. The next step is to ensure you have all the necessary equipment and tools to make your business operational. When we started our advertising agency, we needed 5 computers and 5 chairs. So, what did we do? Instead of buying everything brand new, we took a cost-effective approach. We found a company that was closing down and purchased the items secondhand. It saved us a significant amount of money. Similarly, when we required a large and expensive printer, we chose to rent it rather than buying it outright. This allowed us to keep our costs low and, as a result, our business thrived. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of overspending on unnecessary items, which can quickly deplete their funds and hinder their success. We've seen competitors who were well-funded go out of business because they wasted money on things they didn't really need. Instead, we focused on hiring talented individuals who already had their own equipment. For instance, when we needed video production, we hired someone who already had the necessary gear. This saved us from having to purchase expensive equipment ourselves. Here's a little hack for you. When searching for essential products or tools, consider reaching out to your competition. Believe it or not, we've actually done this. We contacted our biggest competitor and asked them about the software they used to manage client relationships. Surprisingly, the CEO was quite helpful and provided us with a list of software options. We've used this approach every time we've started a new business. Sometimes, your competition might be willing to offer insights and guidance, even if they may not particularly like you. It's a unique twist that many people don't tap into. By being resourceful and strategic in acquiring the necessary items for your business, you can save costs, operate efficiently, and increase your chances of success. 8. Build the basics. When building your business, focus on creating a strong brand rather than just a business. A powerful way to do this is by showcasing compelling case studies that highlight your exceptional work using satisfied customers as examples. Reputation plays a crucial role in business success, so it's important to establish a long-term strategy that demonstrates why you outshine the competition. Your very first client can serve as a valuable case study. The key is to showcase tangible results, illustrating how you took them from point X to point Y. Don't just sell your pleasant demeanor. Emphasize your ability to deliver concrete outcomes. By presenting impactful case studies, you establish credibility and gain the trust of potential clients. This sets you apart in the market. Remember, it's not just about selling your services. It's about demonstrating your track record of success. Invest in developing compelling case studies that effectively communicate your value. Show the world the results you consistently achieve, and watch as your brand reputation flourishes, attracting more clients eager to experience the same level of success. 9. Develop a marketing system. To succeed in business, it's crucial to develop a robust marketing system that empowers your entire team to promote the company. In our agency, we discovered that our accountant was our best salesperson. We trained her to introduce us effectively and showed her the outstanding results we achieved for our clients. As she casually discussed our work during lunches with other CFOs, word spread about our remarkable company. CEOs were intrigued by the incredible value we provided and reached out to us. Having an internal system that empowers everyone to sell, combined with an external system, is key. Today, there are effective tools like ClickFunnels and other systems that help you collect essential data to generate leads and identify potential clients who may benefit from your services. Forget the outdated sales tactics you might have seen in movies like The Wolf of Wall Street, where they try to sell you a pen by emphasizing its qualities. True selling involves identifying genuine needs. If someone doesn't need a pen, you move on to find those who do. This is the marketing system you should develop. A method for understanding your target audience and consistently reaching them. In our agency, we identified the 50 clients we wanted to work with. Every month, we implemented a systematic approach to engage with them, whether it was sending holiday greetings, sharing industry insights they may have missed, or providing valuable content, we ensured regular communication. Building such a system is crucial if you want to stay ahead of the curve and foster business growth. By implementing a comprehensive marketing system that empowers your team, utilizes effective tools, and maintains consistent communication with potential clients, you'll position yourself for success and outpace your competition. 10. Improve as you go. Now, here's the thing. Everything we've talked about isn't set in stone. It's all about continuous improvement. Let us share a fantastic saying we absolutely love. It's not about making a 7% improvement in a week. It's about making a 1% improvement every single day. So, here's the deal. Focus on getting just 1% better each day. Keep pushing yourself to improve. And we guarantee that year after year, your business will become stronger and more successful. Remember, it's all about that gradual, consistent progress. Now that you have the step-by-step process to kickstart your business, it's time to go out there and make it happen. Follow these steps we've laid out, and start building the business you've always dreamed of. It's within your reach, and we believe in you. So, go on and unleash your entrepreneurial spirit. Take action, embrace improvement, and watch your business flourish. The sky's the limit, and we can't wait to see what you'll achieve. Best of luck on your exciting journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to drop a comment down below with your thoughts and any questions you may have. We would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.